Hi guys, good morning. I just fixed my camera a little bit. I'm actually getting ready to go meet Samiksha and we're just going to chill this afternoon. By the way, I've been loving this tint lately. I use this every single day, especially when I'm going to the gym. I really like how, it gives you like your lips but better sort of a tint. This is in the shade, what shade is this? Fig 06. If you want, you should definitely check this out by Rom and yeah, this is what it looks like. Damn nice, love it. I use it every single day, especially to the gym. It stays for quite some time. If you drink water and all that, then I don't know, but yeah, then I think it fades away. Oh, by the way, this mirror, my brother actually fixed it for me and I knew that he would be able to fix it and I had kept it. So the other night he was here and I was like, can you fix this for me? And he's like, yeah, for sure. And it's brand new. I think that's another reason why I miss him so much, because he used to help me out a lot when it comes to like things like these and also anything to do with technology, because I think I'm like technologically challenged and I don't understand tech too much. I'm also traveling at the end of this month. It was super random and I'm really excited and looking forward to my trip. I ordered this sunscreen. Guys, mere dil pe patthar rakh ke I ordered this because this is for 2100 and you only get like 50 ml of product. This is the sunscreen that people talk about a lot, and I thought maybe I should get one for myself and see what the hype is about, and I hope that the hype is real and I hope it's worth the money that I've spent, because 2100 for a sunscreen, I mean, yeah. Guys, we are on our way to the gym. It's been 1 hour that we are stuck in the same spot and we are somehow trying to find a way to reach, but Samisha is closer to her periods. And this is the only time that I can relate what a man must be going through. Because if right now I were to be a guy, I would not be able to handle something, because usually it's fun to be around her, but right now I'm just like, bro, I want to get out of this car. I just don't want to be. No, just kidding. That's a little over
11:45.
Yeah, I mean it's valid.
1:10.
I understand why she's like so upset and mad and all of that, but she's closer to her periods and everything is like into 100 or 500 and it's just something. So guys, I get it, but I've also been on the other side where I get periods, so it's valid, I feel. Yeah, good luck. Yeah, to me this the same thing had happened, when I had been to what do you say, oh my god, everyone's like driving like a psychopath. So after driving and finding a different route, we are still here where we have to like cross all of this and get out, and I don't know how we are going to do it. It's insane.
माझं असं की आपण आपल्या स्वतःच्या बॉडीला उठवलंय की आज तू जिम करायची. माझं पूर्ण अंग दुखत होतं तरी मी अशी होती की नाही समीक्षा उठ, जर तू नाही उठलीस म्हणजे यू आर वीक. आणि हे होतंय माझ्यासोबत.
Okay, calm down. Guys, summer is leaving, so we've come to West Side to shop and it's raining. It's drizzling. Oh my god, it started raining, but I want to have chai, so we're going and having chai first.
What's chai?
Challa, that's not chai. This is like together.
You can't cross the road.
Why? This is Samadhan in parallel universe, another universe. Chai time. It's the best time. It smells so good. Just so good. I love it. spoke to you guys, Samarth had, I think I mentioned it in my blog, that Samarth got me earphones from US, and me being me, I lost them and I used it only like 2-3 times. I lost it within a week, so I had to get new ones, and yeah, I paid for these, but those were kept, and I feel so bad that he had managed to get me. Why are you opening? I know. And right now we are at Chroma. My laptop is giving me so much of a trouble. I cannot even tell you. It's been 5 years that I've been using the same laptop. No, more than 5 years. I think I got it in 2018, and that was my big girl purchase. I spent about 80,000 I think on that laptop. It is like a gaming laptop, and I've been wanting to just upgrade, and I don't know, I haven't had the heart to just like upgrade to a MacBook or whatever. So Summer did ask me this year while he was coming, if I wanted from the US, and I said no, but now I regret it because my laptop is, I can't even tell you, like the display is gone, the battery sucks, too many problems. So we are just here exploring our options, but I still think that I'm going to.
It's giving pop-ups that saying change your battery, replace your battery.
What is up? But yeah, I have to do that. But yeah, so we are just here exploring our options. We just went and saw a couple of options at MacBooks, and yeah, one I really liked. I think I'm going to get that one. And right now I'm going to the Chroma and just
seeing other options.
What I actually want to also get, like earphones, not earphones, headphones. I want to get headphones which are from Sony.
XM5.
Yeah, XM5.
Want it on the go?
No, I don't want it on the go.
Want it at home only?
Yeah. Why this is on the go?
Yeah, it is light. Na?
Yeah, I don't want Dell Inspiro. Don't. It's called Inspiro only, na? Inspiron. I don't like this.
Why?
Because my office had this and I hated it. I actually did. My office did give me this. Anyway, I want HP. We should get HP.
There are so many brands.
No, HP. I have used HP. Which is my HP what?
Yes, is HP. I forget the name, but yeah, HP.
It's so good. It's so good. I love it. And it also goes with my name.
Look at this HP. Is it heavy?
It's not that heavy. Mine is.
It's not heavy.
Mine is very heavy.
Okay.
Mine is Pavilion gaming laptop. Too good. You don't get it on market, but it's really nice. It's the best laptop that I bought for 80,000.
So, but
I bought it for 80,000. I cannot believe it. Then I could have also bought MacBook at that time. But sometimes I feel my mother gave birth to my brother only so he can get dhania.
And electronic.
And he can suggest all of us what to buy, because I'm literally like, "Arey, bagna, this is something that I can use."
The other day, Mama called. Is like, which phone should I buy for Mami?
Really? Yeah, but like Samar is the best. Like he will go on Amazon, compare all of the things, then give like detailed information regarding every particular product. Like ये लोगे तो ये होगा, ये लोगे तो ये होगा. So he's really good at it. That is why, you shouldn't be too good. Oh shit, guys, there's this one funny story that I have to tell you. But yeah, Samarth is like really good at his job. Yeah.
Pay me.
No, not this job. In general, your job. He was so good that they gave him too much work. And then he was telling me how they gave him too much work. And I'm like, why aren't they paying you much? They should pay you a lot if you're good at your work. Yeah. But if अच्छा काम करोगे तो और काम मिलेगा, पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. I just couldn't walk, so I got back home and Samad's gone to get shawarma for himself. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm gonna miss him. Even though I don't think so, I got to see him a lot while he was here, since he was traveling with my mom. They went to my mama's place, and then he had to meet his friends and all that, so we couldn't really. Also, I'm sorry for the lighting, I can't really help it. It is really bad because this one is not working, only that one is working. So yeah, I think I'm going to miss him. I couldn't see him a lot while he was here, but with whatever I could, I think I'm going to cherish it for the next year until I see him again. So yeah, I'm actually telling him to come here in December, but he says he wants to like roam around in US, and that also makes sense. So yeah, I'm just like taking off my makeup, even though my makeup routine lately has been like no foundation whatsoever. I've just been doing my concealer and that's it. So yeah, the mornings I've been using this cleanser by CeraVe. It's a foaming cleanser. I really like this. Like, I did get this for a collab, but I definitely would purchase this myself. This is really gentle for the daytime, but during nighttime I use this one, which is medicated. So yeah, it's just something that my dermat recommended me for acne. Even though it's gone, but I still do have marks over here. And yeah, I've been just doing that. I also have been using the Bioderma micellar water. Really good, love it. And I usually use it with a cotton pad. That's it. Today my legs, oh my god, I can't tell you how difficult today's day was, but I still burned about, oh my god, I still burned about 468 calories, and I did 7,000 steps today, which is damn good given how bad my legs are hurting. I shouldn't have like gone overboard. Yesterday I did a lot of squats, and I don't know what was I thinking, because god. Also, it was so humbling to go to the gym after 3 months. All my strength is gone. I don't know how people do it. I feel like I'm starting all over again from scratch. And even though I've put in so much effort and work in just last 2 days, I have ordered pasta, but that's just how it's going to be for the next coming week, because it's Ganpati season. Looking forward to eating so many modaks, I cannot even tell you. The best part about Ganpati season is that it's Ganpati season, but plus you get to eat so many modaks.